Well, I made a bird table. Guess who my first visitor is? I only put it up last night. There's a whole gang of squirrels around. What do you think of that then, Mia? You're supposed to be chasing those squirrels away. Can't be bothered, can you? Let's have a look at the table. Ah, there's still something there. Haven't seen any birds on it yet. There is a blue tit. Where's that box? In that box I made, there's a blue tit goes in there. I think it roosts in there every night. Anyway, it's a very cold but very nice day. Oh, Bonnie, you better not touch the bird table. Chase the squirrels off if you like.